Good morning, everyone. Right now it is my first day of school, so I have a very busy schedule this semester. I'm taking 5 classes as usual, but I have them Monday through Thursday, and I'm going to campus every day. I started my morning with an 8 a.m. to 10:45 class, but since it's the first day, it only went for like an hour and a half. So right now I'm gonna get ready for my next class, which is at 11, and I have to be on campus for this class. I'll tell you guys more about my schedule today, but I need to get in the shower. So I'm gonna start getting ready. I can't believe this is my last first day of school. So I took a shower, washed my face, brushed my teeth. I didn't have time to wash my hair. I should have done that last night. And then I got dressed, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit after I'm done getting ready. So right now I need to do my makeup. I'm in my bathroom. I have these 2 little baskets filled with my everyday makeup. Recently this summer, I haven't been wearing face makeup. So today is gonna be the first time I've worn it in a while, which is nice. I feel like my skin is doing so much better. I used this moisturizer. I'm gonna put on some deodorant. Honestly, I just cannot believe this is my first day of school. I feel like summer flew by, but I also did a lot this summer. I moved out into my own apartment. Like, this is my first time not having an hour commute to school and just having my own apartment to like get ready at. So this is my last year of school. How the fuck did that happen? Like, it feels like I was just a senior in high school, like yesterday. So the fact that I'm now a senior in college, where did time go? I'm an art major, if you guys didn't know. Your freshman and sophomore year of college is all like general ed. It's mostly just doing those classes you don't want to do. It's like high school again, except it's way harder and way more work. So freshman and sophomore year were rough. Then you get to junior and senior year and it's like you take whatever you want, all based on your major, you pick, and it's a lot more fun. This year, I'm like completely all classes I like. All art classes, everything for my major. I just feel like it's gonna be so much more fun. So this morning I had figure drawing, and then I have art history, and then like an anatomy composition class. So today is like my drawing art history day, and then tomorrow I have 2 painting classes. Pretty fun. Having classes you like makes you want to go to school more. So my makeup is done. That didn't take long at all. I've told you guys, I do my makeup pretty fast, I feel like 15 minutes. Next, I'm gonna straighten my hair. I have been wearing my hair natural lately too for summer, but it's the first day of school. I always straighten my hair, so we're gonna do that. God, I wish I washed my hair. It's gross. I don't have time to wash it in the morning because it'll be soaked all day. Heat protectant. So right now it is 9:57. I have a good like 25 minutes. Oh my god, that's not a lot of time. My class is at 11. Campus is like 20 minutes away. I was gonna leave around like 10:25, 10:30, just cause like I have to find my class. I have to be early the first day. I have to park. Oh my god, I can't. Okay guys, I'm finally done. I finished my makeup, I finished my hair. Let's go. Here's my jewelry for today. I'm gonna wear these earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings. This is like my everyday stuff. I just got these gold hoops and I thought they were gonna be a lot smaller than they are. So I don't know how I feel about them yet. I feel like they're a little big. Well, with my hair down, I feel like it looks good. Alright, so I'm about ready. My plan was to make some veggie sausage and an egg for breakfast, but I think I'm just gonna grab a yogurt with some granola and honey and just have that instead. Okay, have my jewelry on. I feel like that just completes the outfit. And I also need to pack my bag right now. So I am gonna be bringing this bag. It's pink, it's so cute. I'm gonna use this as my school bag, I feel like. Love the color. And I just feel like using a bag is so cute. So I was gonna bring my laptop, but it's pretty much dead. I didn't charge it. I'm gonna put all of these in this bag. I have a notebook, my planner, this notepad, and a weekly planner. I don't know, is that above and beyond? Probably. I don't think I need all of that, but I'm just gonna bring it because why not? And this bag fills a lot of stuff. And then, as I said, I would also have my laptop, but I'm not gonna bring that. I have some pencils, a pen, and an eraser. I'm gonna put my AirPods in here, and that's it. So next I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna take some mirror pictures. So I took some pictures. Here is my outfit for today. My entire outfit is from Urban Outfitters. I have on this tank top, really comfy and cute. And these cargo pants that are green. Oops, that's my alarm to leave. God damn it, I didn't even eat yet. Cargo pants, they're green, they're cute, low rise, love it. And then I have this pink bag. It's kind of big, but we'll see, I like it. And then I have necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, and we're good. I'm gonna put on my everyday shoes. I didn't get new shoes for back to school, which is usually something I get, but it's fine. I need to go. I need to eat something though. Like, this is just so chaotic. My AirPods, before I forget, I'm gonna put those in here. Do I need them? Probably not, but oh, I need a mask. God damn. Good thing I have some. We still have to wear masks, I think, in class and all of that. Good thing I remembered. So I have this yogurt. I think I'm just gonna have that right now. I was planning to make a whole breakfast, but this video is just not. I wanted it to be so nice and relaxing. Clearly, that's not the case. So, breakfast. Plain yogurt. Ew. I think I'm just gonna take this to go. I'm gonna put some granola. I've never tried this one, so hopefully it's good. And I'm also gonna put some honey. And that looks pretty yum. So that's my breakfast for today. I'm gonna come back and have coffee. I'll make something better later, but this is my breakfast for now. Okay, have my bag, have my yogurt, keys. Just realized I forgot my hydro flask, which really sucks. I'm on my way right now. I'm gonna get there at 10:52, which is later than I wanted to. I wanted to be in my classroom at 10:52. What can you do? Nothing. I'm eating my yogurt. I have this much water. So that really sucks. I did not mean to forget my hydro flask. I also did not have time to put on perfume or lotion. I'm usually so good about the first day, you know, and I have everything ready and like, I'm actually early. Today I had that 8 a.m. class. And basically, it's every Mondays and Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 10:45. And then my second class right after is at 11. I have to get ready basically during that class and leave for my next class during that class so that I can get to campus on time. But I just found out today that that class is only going to be on Wednesdays, and then my 11 a.m. class on Wednesdays is going to be online. So it's totally fine. Then I'll have an all online morning. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Basically what I'm trying to say is this problem is only for today. I'm not going to have this schedule for the rest of the semester. Yeah, it ended up working out. So it's just today that I'm in a hurry right now. I was late to my first class. I literally am never late to school. Like, I always make sure to leave at the perfect time so that I get there. But I should have known, like, first day of school traffic is always so bad. That was bad on my part. But anyway. So right now it is 11:45. My class was very short. I feel like first day of classes are always very short. They're just going over the syllabus and stuff. So I pretty much spent as much time driving here as I did in class. But I do have class again tonight. So I got just the weirdest schedule this semester. I felt like the classes were so hard. I got waitlisted on some of my classes. And it's annoying because I feel like seniors should have priority. We want to graduate. So we need all of our classes lined up. But I had a lot of issues picking out classes classes this semester. So yeah, I had 2 classes this morning and now I have 1 at nighttime. It's from 6 to 9 p.m. It's fine. It's a drawing class, and again, it's gonna be really short tonight, I'm assuming, because it's the first day. So I'm done with school for now. It's 11:45. I think I'm gonna get boba. Should I? Should I treat myself to boba right now? I feel like I usually do. I got my boba. I ordered brown sugar milk tea. It's very good. Definitely hitting the spot right now. Every time I used to drive up here for my hour commute, I would get boba after school. Since I'm going every day now, I probably shouldn't do that, but I figured first day of school, we gotta celebrate. It's crazy to think about how I was commuting up here an hour each way, because like today I spent 30 minutes in my class, and I can't imagine driving all the way up here for a 30-minute class, especially with my schedule this year. Like, I am so lucky I moved out when I did. I'm gonna have to come here 4 days a week, and I'm not even here like all day. It's like I'm here for like 1 class and then I go home and then I come back like 5 hours later and do my next class. Like, that would be so bad if I wasn't living here. So that was my plan. Like, senior year, I need to be closer to campus so that I can be here as much as possible. All right, I'm gonna head home. I'm kind of hungry. My yogurt was not that good this morning. Like, the first few bites were good, but I just did not enjoy it after. I'm gonna get some stuff done at my apartment. I have to work on videos, stuff like that. And then in a few hours, I'm gonna have my last class of the day. Hey guys, so right now it is 2:20. I'm back in my apartment. I went on TikTok for way too long. I was like, let me give myself like a 10-minute break to just chill. And then an hour goes by. That's always how it goes. TikTok is so ridiculous. So I'm trying to post my Instagram story for the first day of school. You guys should follow me on Instagram. So I think I'm gonna make what I was going to make for breakfast right now, which is a veggie sausage and an egg. And then I don't think I'm gonna have coffee. I need to get my sleep schedule back on track. And I think if I have coffee now, well, it's still kind of early. I'll skip it. I'll do coffee tomorrow. This breakfast looks very good. I'm excited. Tell me this hasn't been just the easiest school day ever. Like, I feel like today was my first day of school. That's crazy. It doesn't even seem like it. One of my professors was like, I could have really used another week of summer. I was like, yes, I definitely agree with that. I was so excited to add my perfume earlier before I left, but I didn't have time, so I'm gonna add it right now before my next class. I'm excited. This is my first time using it, so hopefully it lasts all day. It smells so good. Alright guys, so my last class of today starts at 6 and it goes until 9 p.m. Again, I don't think it's gonna go that long since it's the first day, but I'm gonna start getting ready to go. I stayed in my outfit. Usually I don't do that because I just want to be comfy when I'm just sitting in my apartment, but this outfit is actually really comfy. I even left my shoes on. I'm excited. Last class of the day. I actually like taking night classes because I've had a chance to wake up, get things done, and now go to class. The other thing about school though is I feel like as soon as I start and I really get into the school year, I get like way back on track. Like, I start getting things done. I'm on a schedule, so I have to really use my time wisely. So school, I feel like, helps a lot with just like forcing you to have deadlines, making sure you get things done and all of that. So I don't know. As stressful and awful as school is, it really keeps you in check. Also, I want to finish my boba. I never finished it. Here's a little apartment update. I finally put up my Pink Floyd poster. This was my favorite poster in my room at home, so I knew I wanted to have it up in my apartment. It looks so cute and fits perfectly between my 2 closet doors. So my apartment is coming along really good. I love it. You guys are gonna get an apartment tour soon. I watered my plant and I'm ready to go. class is done. It went good. It was like an hour. I love that it's nighttime though. It's actually so fun. And like no one's here, so. Hey guys, so I am home now. It's 7:30. I finally finished my last class of today. Can't believe that was my first day of school. And I can't believe I have to go back tomorrow. Like one day was plenty. I was thinking about that when I got in my car. I was like, I have to come here tomorrow too. And the next day. And the next day. Like I'm just not excited for that. We'll make it through, guys. I think I'm trying to convince myself more than you. Yeah, it's just gonna suck having to go to campus 4 days a week. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat right now. I'm just gonna have leftovers. I don't really feel like making anything. I should go down to the gym. I'll probably do that later. What a day. So I worked on a painting for a while. I got out my oil paints and my whole setup and it was fun. Probably not the best use of my time. I really needed to get done that video, but we'll just do it later. I love putting things off. I'm gonna go to the gym now. I have this gym outfit on. I just need to go. You know, I haven't been in a few days. It feels good. I feel very productive after I work out. Like when I'm working out, I'm like planning in my head what I'm gonna do the rest of the day and I'm like ready to get things done. So I feel like this will help me like get motivated for the rest of the night. Here's what I'm wearing. Cute. And I'm gonna go to the gym.